guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today there is no school, so we decided to go for a nature walk. Guys, let's go and we go and see the nature. So guys, do you know this plant? If you know this vegetable, comment down below and we'll supply you for 1 week. Guess what this plant is called? If you guess it right, we'll bring it. This water is deep. You can see it's almost even reaching me. I'm about to sink. You can see all of this water. Where I feel that I'm floating, but I feel I'm still sinking. My gumboot got stuck over there. I'm almost stuck. I almost stuck. My leg is. It's called 911 to come and help me. Both of my legs are stuck. Wow, look at this amazing water. Sister, can you swim in here? No. We jump in here. No, you'll be eaten by a crocodile. Look at these bananas. These bananas are for who? And where is the water so dirty? Comment down below if there is crocodiles, fish, anything in this water. All these trees, banana plants, grass, napier grass. All of these you can see. Look at badness. You can see this dirty water. look at this bush. It's so bushy. You can see all of this napier grass. All of this. You can see all of this. Even somebody cannot. When small babies come past here, they will feel itchy. You know that? It's so itchy. Yeah, you can see all of this. Wow, look at this amazing tree. It's so amazing. Wow. Comment down below what this tree is and comment down below how the tree looks like. Wow. You can see all of it. Look the way how big it is. You cannot even, if you have one of these trees in your place, comment down below. Wow. Some big ones. You can see there is some fruits over there. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Wow. Look at the plants, the leaves. Look to them. Look at that. Look at that one. Look. Wow. If you have this thing at your home, if you have a plant like this at your home, comment down below. Comment down below. You can even climb here. All of these things you can do here. Look. Wow. It's amazing here. If you guys you have ever climbed a tree like this, comment down below right now if you're watching. Wow, look at this guava tree that I found. Look at the plants. I just feel like it's black one. Look at all of this plant. Look guys. Wow, look at this. If you can see, comment down below. Look at this. Comment down below what you think this fruit is called. Comment down below right now. There's people who are watching. Comment down below. Here. What are the hell? They're like fruits, you know. They're fruits that you can eat. Wow. Look at this one. Look at this one. Wow. This one is amazing. Look guys, look. And look at this one. Wow. These two, I got them. Wow, look at this modern tea cake. Look at the way it is. Look at the way it is. It's like a bush full of sticks. Look at it. Wow. Voila, like it looks so good. Wow, it looks so cool. So good. you like our nature walk? Please like, subscribe and share. Wow, look at this grass. Look at this one.
What does that?
It's so different. What? Oh, yes. Look at all this water. All of this. You can see. Wow. Love. Wow! Wait! Somebody to call 911 again. I'll get stuck. Wait! I'm stuck. Wait! Wait! This is nice, love. Wow! And look at the water. Oh, la la. Look. Wow. I feel I'm swimming. This water is amazing. I love water. I feel good. I'm stuck. This mud is so strong. It can even make somebody get stuck. This is so hard. You even feel to fall. Come on. The mud is too strong. Yeah. Use your full strength. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're gonna fall. Yeah. There's not even where to pass. You can see it has flooded all of this water. You cannot even pass. So bye guys. See you in the next video.